get into it. Or whatever they be. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you can if you want to. If you don't, you don't have to. But why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want to support? I'm so sorry. Like, this is my first video and I'm coming on here looking busted. That's not usually what they do. They usually do a get to know me with themselves looking pretty and stuff like that. And then they show you the busted side. But I guess we going busted first. So, here we go. All of my shit is broke. My computer is fucked up. My parents aren't here, so, you know, I can't use my mama's phone for music, but, bro. So I got the TV in the living room. It's just like across there playing music, which I can barely hear. I don't even know what song this is. Yeah, I do. I just don't know the name of it. Okay, so one side down. Other side to go. Where's my... Here we go.
So now we're at the point where we're about to start styling. I'm going to do another slick ponytail, but since it's flat iron, I don't have to really put much into it. But yeah, I flat ironed everything. Or the parts that need to be flat ironed. Hold on. And so... Actually, this is like a hair bag, but I have multiple hair bags, like, you know, flexi rods and all that. So yeah, basically what I'm going to be showing y'all is this thing called beeswax. It's called Mary's Beeswax. Oh, it's right here. Whoops. Anyway, so I don't have a hot comb, so I can't really get like that flat like press or whatever. So I use this. This is so weird. But maybe if you want something, you can go for it, right? Alright. So I put some on my edges toothbrush and I put it at the part that I want to be like flat or whatever. Or not, or whatever. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take that little bitty piece right there, and then you're gonna put your brush up under it, kind of brush it through. And you're gonna use this, and it's gonna make it like silky and like, I don't even know how to explain this shit. It's just magical, to be honest with you. See, like now it's like laying flatter than what it would have laid, you know? So that's what we're doing. So what we're doing, we're going to do that, baby, all the way around. So, right? Okay, yeah, we're just pressing all the areas. Basically doing the root of everything. Now we're combing this shit back. So guys, sorry for the interruption. I usually part my hair into two like sections, and I'll do this side first and then I'll do this side first, so I like lay this side first. I use a plethora of products. There's really nothing in here but a little bit, but I use a plethora of products during this process. So I don't really like using Gorilla Snot because I feel like it makes my hair wet. Like the same effect that gel has on it, I feel like Gorilla Snot has that same effect on natural hair. It makes it like curl up and stuff. Let me scoot closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. The shot real quick. Because it is a wax, so it holds your hair down. So in case like you have flat waves, you had on a wig or something, that would work. Okay, that laid down pretty smooth, but maybe, you know, we always gotta do extra. So me and my friend Jerica, we will be doing a seafood boil, or not even a seafood boil because we're not cooking it, but it's a seafood boil because hopefully it's gonna be in a plastic bag. But we're getting it from Louisiana Crab Shack. It's new to our city, so we want to try it. So yeah, that's going to be coming up soon. Hopefully we'll get to record it Monday, and I'll be able to put it up Monday. We're going to be doing like at least 3 videos Monday. So it's going to be like a best friend does my makeup. It's going to be me doing my own makeup. And then it's going to be sitting down talking over the seafood mukbang. So yeah. So yeah, make sure that you stay tuned. That was so ugly. Make sure that you stay tuned for what's all going to be coming at you, you know? So we're going to separate like our egg. It was morning. This is what we're doing. We're just gonna. We're just gonna use a little bit of Gorilla Snot on our this part. There's always that little part that don't want to fucking cooperate with us. You know what I'm saying? That side is down. I feel like hold a curl, you know, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but that side is, you know, flick to the gods. Anyway, so now we're gonna start on this side. I'm actually gonna do 3 sections because my bang right here is kind of small. Like it doesn't, like this part right here is short. So turn to the back right now. I have 2 ponytails and then 1 side to go. Oh, that should kind of hurt. Goddamn. Whew. Go and pick up. But they're not stunning me, so it don't really matter. Okay. Now, Gorilla Snot. Had to open my hole up because it was taking too long to come down. So yeah. Y'all can't see me. I'm just brushing it down so that it can flatten the fuck out. So this hoe right here. Now we're just gonna add it to that second ponytail that we had already. But we're not done yet. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I wish y'all could see me more. Can I put this mirror over here? Okay. This light kind of bit, but not too much. People keep calling me interruptions. Anyway, I really need to put a string or something on this because I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm so sure I'm gonna lose it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some got to be glue on here. And flatten this side down some more. At least not anymore. And then he's going back and forth, which is like, don't you got somewhere to be? Okay. About to hit it with a little Gorilla Snot, you know what I'm saying? I really can't see myself. Like, I really can't. Looks sad. That's better. That's better. Outside. Boom. Come back and hit the hoe like this. Put the hoe behind the ear. I really cannot see, but I am trying my best. setup, to be honest with you. There's something right here that don't want to flatten out. There we go, that's better. This bitch right here.
So this is where we're at. So we're gonna make this one ponytail now. Ooh, that shit sound like it rips on. I'm like, I need my ends cut again. This is the back. So yeah, with me, we're good. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and stuff, then come back. I'm gonna fix this baby hair too, cause she got me fucked up. She really do. But yeah, I'll be right back. Where's my little clicky thingy? So we're gonna take our little silk bandana, put it around our edges, tie it like super tight. Super tight. Tight. Got our ponytail busting right there. We're good. I'll be back. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. I look like a nigga, but
So, little side note, my TV cut off while I'm in here. Why would the TV cut off? The TV usually stays on all day long, so if there's anybody in my living room, he gonna get got, period. So there wasn't nobody in my living room. YouTube asked me if I wanted to continue watching. I wasn't there to press yes, but there was somebody that was gonna get. So, boy, if somebody was in my living room, I would not know how to act. If my parents aren't here, boy, I'm gonna have a fit.
so y'all, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. And you know, those are my ending results. But make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below about what you want to see me doing next. This is like my first video, so you know, give me some tips or some pointers about, you know, something that I should do or whatever. So yeah, I like this look. More videos coming soon, period.